So this is my beer that I bought back in October of 2022. I may have used this about, I'll say about 4 times. And I actually bought a total of 3 of these. And the issue that I'm having with these, all 3 to be exact, is when you fill up this there's a max indicator on the back, but when I'm filling mine up, mine is releasing water at the bottom of my humidifier. Now there's a spigot here at the bottom that actually, like, when you push on it, it does release the water, and there's like a little kind of, like, you put it on like this. So I'm kind of gonna just measure that this and that little piece there is what's releasing the water. But once the water gets in there, it doesn't work at all. It doesn't release any mist or anything. And you know, I'm mostly disappointed because I have 3 of these and all 3 of them are experiencing this malfunction. So if you want my opinion, I would say keep scrolling and looking for other humidifiers, because this is not one that will last at all. You know, I'm not the one to continue to repurchase the same product, especially when I bought 3 of these for 3 different rooms and they all are experiencing the same malfunction, which is very disappointing. I'm not sure if I can even send these back because it's almost been a year now, but I'm very disappointed in this. So, yep.
These are our 2 Bohr humidifiers that we purchased, I believe, in April and May or earlier this year. We've kept them clean as per the instructions. However, when you turn them on after filling the tank, there's basically very little output from these machines, even though they've been filled and nothing. In operation.
Start making really weird noise. All of a sudden was off and everything. And then I brought it to the kitchen just in case to keep it safe from the babies. Plugged it on the wall, turned it back on, completely empty. And it made a massive fuse explosion there. It smells burnt now. Something just popped in there and it smells horrendous. Like, to a point for a little second I was worried for electric fire or something like that. So yeah, not great, not great.
suis pas très douée, je sais pas m'y prendre.
Vous voyez, elle préfère les acheter comme les gens normaux.
Je passe tellement de temps sur la route que j'ai pas l'habitude de faire tout ça pour Noël.
C'est dommage. Pourquoi votre coiffure est bizarre?
Oui, c'est pas gentil de dire ça.
Elle a raison. J'avais pas prévu de rester si longtemps. D'habitude,